Today marks 1 year since a 19-year-old gunman went on a multi-state, hours-long shooting spree here in the Mid-South, killing 3 people and terrorizing our whole region and our city. Good evening, I'm Joe Birch. After that night, 1 year ago, the Shelby County Emergency Management Agency and Homeland Security put a massive emergency alert system into place to protect citizens. Action News 5's Stephanie Douglas explains how it works and when it would be used. Stephanie?
Joe, it's called the Integrated Public Alert and Warning System, or IPAWS. Shelby County Emergency Management and Homeland Security officials say the alert system is in place for all Shelby County residents. A year later, we are remembering the 3 victims killed during a shooting rampage. On September 7th, 2022, 19-year-old Ezekiel Kelly is accused of going on that senseless rampage, causing nothing but terror and putting the city of Memphis on lockdown for hours. Since then, the Shelby County Emergency Management and Homeland Security initiated IPAWS, an integrated public alert and warning system to keep residents informed.
We do have the capability here in Shelby County to activate this system in case of an emergency, a disaster, some imminent danger.
IPAWS is a federally funded program created by FEMA in 2006 following Hurricane Katrina. Today, there are more than 1,600 federal, state, local, tribal, and territorial authorities using IPAWS to issue critical public alerts and warnings.
I'm happy to announce we have not sent out any IPAWS situation. We rarely use the IPAWS system.
The City of Memphis introduced their emergency communication alert system in February. Since its activation, the system has already issued 291 severe weather warning alerts. Although IPAWS hasn't sent out any active alerts, the Shelby County Emergency Management and Homeland Security is grateful to have a program in place to keep all residents safe.
I've seen a number of emergencies in my life, a lot of tragedy in my life. So if I don't see any more emergencies or tragedies, I'll be good.
Now, IPAWS is an alert system you do not have to sign up for. However, you do have to sign up to receive notifications from the City of Memphis's alert system through text message, landline calls, or email. I have a link attached to this website to this web story on actionnews5.com. Live in studio, I'm Stephanie Douglas, Action News 5.